Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying compatibility and getting the radios ready. Check your device model and OS version in Settings About so you know supported bands. Once done, toggle airplane mode on for 5-10 seconds and then off to clear temporary radio issues. Make sure Wi-Fi is off to avoid automatic handover. Now open Settings, tap Cellular or Mobile Data, and navigate to the section labeled 5G or Network Mode to begin changing options and viewing current status. You now choose the practical 5G mode and validate performance. Select 5G Auto to let the phone balance battery and speed, or 5G on if you need constant maximum throughput. Use LTE only to conserve power or for stability. Then inspect SIM/operator settings to ensure carrier provisioning is active and that preferred network type includes 5G. Once configured, run a speed test and observe signal bars, band indicators like N78 or N41, and latency to confirm that you're on a true 5G connection. You finish by applying changes and preparing next steps if something fails. Reboot the device to finalize network updates and then recheck that 5G mode and signal indicators persist. If you remain off 5G, update carrier settings and the OS, and try removing and reinserting the SIM to force re-registration. One key troubleshooting tip: if issues continue, call your carrier with your speed test results, band information, and timestamps so they can verify provisioning or local tower problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.